Hi friends, welcome to YOLO channel. Today's section I am going to give you a lecture on understanding diac working with application circuits. What is mean by diac? The term diac stands for diode for alternating current. It is a bidirectional semiconductor switch that can be turned on in both forward and reverse direction. The device is a member of thyristor family and it is mostly used in triggering circuits. The diac starts conducting electrical current if the applied voltage goes beyond its breakover voltage. Diac simple. Diac is given by the symbol of two diodes connected in parallel and opposite to one another and has two terminals. Diac is bidirectional device. The terminals of diac are empty 1 and empty 2. When empty stands for main terminal. The construction of diac. The diac has two terminals, namely empty 1 and empty 2, and it can deliver current flow in both directions. So it consists of 4 layers. The terminals are combination of both positive and negative layers. When the voltage is passed to the terminals, the layer with respective polarity to the voltage get activated. This combination of both the polarities helps in operating the diac in both the directions. Diac working principle. So diac working with two modes of operation. In mode 1, empty 1 positive with respect to empty 2. So the conduction will be taking place in the order of P1, N2, P2, N3. And the current is flowing from empty 1 to empty 2. The junction between P1, N2 and P2, N3 are forward bias and the junction between N2, P3 is reverse bias. In mode 2, empty 2 positive with respect to empty 1. So the conduction will be taking place in the order of P2, N2, P1, N1. The current will be flowing from empty 2 to empty 1. The junction between P2, N2 and P1, N2 are forward bias and the junction between N2, P1 is reverse bias. Hence, the conduction will be possible in both directions. VI characteristics of diac. The resistance of the diac will be higher because reverse bias junction, small leakage current flowing through the diac. Once applied voltage reaches the breakdown voltage, the resistance drops and then it starts conducting. The voltage and current starts increasing, which is mentioned as the conduction state in the curve. How to use a diac? The diac are mostly used within the triac circuits because the triac does not fire a circuit symmetrically. There is no symmetrical firing. Resulting waveform will generate unwanted harmonics in the output. The lesser symmetrical of the waveform, the greater the harmonics will be. The diac is connected series with the gate of the triac in order to solve unwanted harmonics. Diac can help switching symmetrically in the both the half cycle. So diac can prevent any gate current flowing through the triac. Advantages of diac. So what are the advantages in diac? If does not switching sharply to a low voltage conditions at a low current levels as done by SCR or triac. It has low on-state voltage drop until its current falls below the holding current level. Voltage drop decreases with the increase in current. Next, application of diac. The diac are mostly used along with the triac circuits. The diac are used for triggering triac or other kinds of thyristors. The diac are used as trigger devices in various applications such as phase control, circuits of motor speed control, light dimmer and heat control. These are all the application we use DIAC. Thanking you for watching this video.